Tashi Dele. Hello guys. It's me again. I got these offering for Losar, and they're from Temu app, and these are beautifully carved, and it's gold. I mean, I think it's brass or gold. Looks like gold, but I think it's plated. But anyways, this is for offering. 로살리도라 ni 장교체 오마체 아니 and 아니 tea 니체 아니 one of this 3, and I got one of these phone holder for Temu just to see if it works. It's fine. And then I also bought these window pillowcase and beautifully patterned. I think it's Turkish Oriental. So I got 4 window panels, window pillowcase. I'm sorry. So look at these, beautifully printed. So for decoration, just to give that little oriental look. This is the second one, and then there's another one. Look at this one. This is lovely. Chambatis gasha. Oh, beautifully printed, right? And the back side is just burlap, I think. Fabric, really nice quality, not bad for Temu. And this one, look at this one, beautiful pattern. Oh, pattern tada kandin modo. It's like geometric, Persian, little bit of Persian, Turkish. Kind of geometric. So we'll see. That's all for today for Temu. And I got other stuff, but I couldn't find where the rest of my stuff. Anyways, enjoy.